These Kitchen Select flat packs are so quick and easy to assemble yourself, saving you time and money and allowing you to create your very own kitchen exactly how you want it. Let me show you how easy it is. This is the 300 wall-mounted top unit cabinet. Let's open it up and have a look at what we have. Now with everything laid out, we can identify all our components according to our instruction manual. We have our 2 side panels, our door, our top and base, 2 back rails, our backing board, and a shelf. Then we have our cam screws, cam locks, 8mm dowels, our hinges, shelf pins, nail-in anchors, and some 30mm screws. Okay, then the tools you'll need are a screwdriver, a hammer, tape measure and a pen, masking tape, a hammer drill with a 6mm masonry bit and a 4mm wood bit, and your choice of handle. So the first thing we need to do is install our dowels and our cam screws into our side panels, and then our cam locks into the base and back rails. When installing your cam locks, you'll notice an arrow. That arrow needs to point in the direction of the hole that accommodates the cam screw. Now when it comes to the back rail, you'll notice one side has a cover strip. Now because this unit is not covered from the top and bottom, you want that cover strip to be facing down. So make sure you put your cam lock in the top hole nearest to the uncovered edge. Now that all the hardware is installed, we can start assembling the unit. Now I found the easiest way is to leave them laying on their sides. Start with one and then you can attach your base and top. Now make sure that you keep the cover strip facing towards the front of the cabinet. Pop those on with the cam locks on the inside because you will be able to see the bottom of the unit. Now we can attach our back rails, making sure that the cover strips face up and down. Next is install the backing board, and then we can attach the other side. Okay, then let's flip it onto its back and lock those cam screws. The next step is to attach our door. Now depending on the layout of your kitchen, you may want a left or right opening door. In this case, I'm going with a right opening door, so I'm going to lay the cabinet on its right hand side. Now I lay my door down next to it, making it way easier to fit my hinges. Now when installing your hinges, you'll notice the little plastic inserts. You'll want to remove those and then just gently tap them into the holes next to the hole for the hinge cup. Once those inserts are in, place the hinge into place and screw it down with your screwdriver. Now that the door's on, we can install our shelf. Simply pop the shelf pins into the holes at the desired height and then stick the shelf into position. Our shelf is in and it's time for the final touch, the door handles. Now remember that this is a top mount box, so you want your handles to be at the bottom. Place a piece of masking tape in the general vicinity where you want your handle to be. Then we need to measure up from the bottom. Now I'm going to keep all the measurements of my handles the same throughout the entire range. So I'm going to mark up my point 100 mils from the bottom of the door. Then holding the handle against the edge of the door on my mark, I can use the handle to get my points. Now I can drill my holes and install my handle. This unit is now complete and can be added to other units in the range to create your kitchen. Then finished off with the countertop and accessories. Here are a few installation tips. Using your 6mm masonry bit and hammer drill, secure your units to the wall with the nail-in anchors. Prevent any movement of your units by using the supplied 30mm screws to fasten units together. To adjust your doors, use the screws on the hinge. Use this screw to make lateral adjustments, this screw for horizontal adjustments, and this screw for vertical adjustments. For more units in the range, check out the Builders website, and for more how-tos just like this, check out the YouTube channel. Get to Builders, get it done.